So a very good evening to all of you. How are you all? And hope you all have minted good money today, right? This is what we have done. So my name is Bhavneet, and this is what I teach market profile combo course. All right. And if those who are interested, they can join the upcoming batch. It is starting within 2 days. All right, registrations are about to close, so if you are interested, you can contact us at this number 9599634604. All right, and if you have any query related to the course, anything, and you want to talk to me, you can also talk to me. You can take my number from my team. All right, so let us now first see what we have posted. We have posted, these were the stocks that we posted in the morning, and one of the major upward turn that took place today was in Bajaj Finance. We gave it right at 10 o'clock to buy Bajaj Finance above 44.20. Look at the beautiful upward move that has taken place in Bajaj Finance. It made a high of 45.49, which is like more than 120 points move. 125, I can say. Yeah, more than that. Lovely, beautiful move. It just once it gave the breakout, it just kept on moving up, 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 and up only. There was one little slight retracement, but after that, again it just continued the trend. Right. So beautiful trend that Bajaj Finance took today. All right, so it was a lovely move. Second stock, which we had multiple stocks. We also posted for all of you today that these were the stocks which were in our watch for today. So some of them were Ambuja, Dabar, Balkrishna Industries, BPCL, Bajaj Finance, ITC, IOC, GAIL, and Equitas and NIIT Tech. So this is what I have posted for my students at around I think if I remember correctly, yes, at around 11:45 we posted it in the channel also, right? Because all of them performed. If I show you Equitas also went up 4% today. This was performance of Equitas. And if we see the performance of other stocks like GAIL, all of them, right? So this is GAIL. GAIL today went up around 3.25%, and similarly other stocks like IOC, all of them, right? IOC went up 4.3%. These were the stocks that were there in our watch list since morning, right? And not just that, ITC was also there. ITC went up 3.77%. One stock which was Dabar was given at 506. After 506, it made a high of 51, 3.55, and then it did not look back. It again started retracing down to the lower end. So again we'll be watching it tomorrow whether it is possibility for Dabar to again give upward side movement or not, right? And the next stock which was also in our stock list, so in our watch list was this one, BPCL also moved up 4%, more than 4% move. 3.33% was the move in Ambuja Cement today, right? So overall, what we can say, yeah, the stocks that we selected, it gave really good move today, right? That's why I personally did not trade in Bank Nifty today. I traded in these stocks that were there in our watch list for today, right? So because yesterday what I posted in my analysis video, right, what I told you all that I am expecting the prices to be retracing back to the upper level. That's what I have said. But instead of retracement, it swiftly opened gap up, and it swiftly started initially it started moving up slowly, and then there came a one big push, and that one big push was carrying big volume. It broke 3500 resistance, and immediately, so now the 3500 resistance is in what you can say that since this is broken today with volume, so 3500 can potentially now become support, right? Support for the what you can say support for the next day. So tomorrow 3500 can potentially act as a support, right? And this is what we have also posted in the channel. In Bank Nifty, we can see straight away from here there is a very drastic unwinding of call option that has taken place today on 3500 strike, right? But what is showing more conviction today is 31,000 strike, right? Which is roughly the same level which we have marked here in the daily chart. So if you remember 2-3 days back, when Bank Nifty I think, yeah, day before yesterday, when this fall came, right, I told you all that this is the level, right? This is the level which was a support as per volume profile. When this rally, you know when this rally was a big upward rally in Bank Nifty was formed, in this particular rally, this was the last remaining first biggest support. That is what I told you. This is the first biggest support in this upward rally, right? And when the prices fell here in this particular day, although it got breached, but immediately after breaching it, the market participants again made the prices to move up, right? So I was expecting, this was my personal expectations, that since this is a support level, prices can start retracing up, and then finally a bigger volume can come, and then prices can again start moving downwards. But market is, you all know how market is, right? Because option chain yesterday was different, today it is completely different. All right, today all the writers, call writers, they started unwinding from their position because of the big upward move that has taken place in Bank Nifty today, right? So what happened, prices, once this, maybe there is one more reason, maybe because of RBI policy meeting which is happening, maybe I think tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Maybe because of that, market is already discounting that thing, right? Whatever the policy decision that will be taken tomorrow, or maybe day after tomorrow, whenever it is, right? Maybe that is the reason why market is discounting it, right? So what is showing conviction as of now? Conviction level is available at 31,000, and we have seen that when this prices started moving downward, this was the area where price has spent most amount of the time, right? Which is basically, and after that, after spending a lot of amount of time here, prices, this simply blasted downwards, and after going down, the market has quickly recovered and gone back to the same area. So this area, I'm still expecting this area can potentially act as a resistance. This area is between, it is a big range, right? It is a big range, which is basically anywhere around yeah, it is around 3782, 31 200. So it is a big range, 3200, 780, 800 to 200, right? Roughly 400 points of range. But this is a daily chart, right? So daily chart it is. So I will, in order to buy positionally short position, in order to take positional short, I would be now again waiting for prices to again start taking resistance from this zone. But this bottom level will also be to be washed out, because 3500, if at all Bank Nifty wants to break this RBI policy decision, whatever that decision will come out, we that will again add in more amount of volumes in the market, and prices might again start pushing and going down below 3500 level. That is also a possibility, provided market gets another set of big volume and uh, break this particular wall. Now with the area which was supposed to become resistance has now become support, right? So if at all market is coming around 3500, in order to breach this, bigger volume will be required, right? If bigger volumes are not there, then we might see prices again to be rotating back to the same area. Same, this is the value area, right? This is the current value area of Bank Nifty, right? And this is where price has spent most amount of the time. So if at all prices are again going back to this area, we might see again prices to be either taking resistance or accepting it, right? If the acceptance took place, then we might see prices to be again going back to the upper area. But let's see, let's wait for the time, right? So maybe the market has, uh, market have already discounted the RBI policy decision. So what I'm expecting as of now, at max market can, reach 31,000 level. That is also a possibility, still a possibility. 31,000 level is a possibility, depends upon what happens in the coming days and how the option chain is formed. But as of now, 31,000 is a clear resistance, right? And all the put strikes which are at 3700 and below, all the put strikes are increasing tremendously. They all of them have got really good increase today. And in call option, everything has got unwinding today. All right, so let's see if the call writers are back tomorrow or not, or maybe the market really wants to just move up and up, right? And this is the same level, the volume profile that we have posted in the Bank Nifty Club channel, right? So this was the area, 3500, and today it has got broken with a good amount, a good set of volume. Now let's see whether Bank Nifty will take acceptance or it will again take rejection from this area. I'm still expecting market to take rejection. But if market will take rejection from here, again another set of bigger volume will be required for market to again break 3500 level. And that 500 level will be broken only after whatever the RBI policy decision will come, right? That has the potential to bring in another set of bigger volumes to push the market again back to the lower level. All right, so if market is opening gap up tomorrow, I will still again wait. I'll till then, that's my personal decision. I have also seen these big set of bigger volume. You can see today very big set of volumes that have taken place. And more precisely, if I show you all in the order flow, the volumes that have taken place is between 3700 to 3729, right? So these can be selling volumes or these can be buying volumes as well. It will depend upon whether this particular level, you can watch out, you can mark this level for yourself for tomorrow. The level is 3720 to 3711. Whether this can act as a support and resistance, it will depend upon the opening of prices tomorrow. If the prices are opening up and then coming down, this particular area should act as a support, right? And if prices are taking support from this, then we might see again prices to be auctioning back to 31,000 also, right? And if prices are again breaching this area, then I want to see the prices to be auctioning back to 3500 area, right? Where prices can again take support. If prices are again getting breached with volume, right, that is only possible now because of news event, right? If news event will take place, then only it is a possibility that market will start auctioning back to the lower area. You can see at the bottom there is nothing big volume that have taken place, but at the top there is very big volume, right? These can be stopping volume as well, these can be another set of fresh buying volume as well, right? So be careful, right? So my personal decision would be to again wait for Bank Nifty to again start to see whether Bank Nifty is now taking rejection in this zone or not, right? But I'll keep on posting all the stock ideas, stock result, whatever the stocks which are about to give a good move or not, right? Those stocks which have a good potential to move today or not, those stocks I'll keep on posting in the Bank Nifty channel till then, right? And tomorrow I'll if possible, I'll also right at the opening of market, I'll start posting order flow, live running order flow of market profile also. And there is also important announcement for all of you, those who are interested. We will be sharing in a while, we will be sharing another live trading session link for all of you. If you are part of Bank Nifty Club, we will be posting here in Stock Pro Bank Nifty Club all the the link for registration for live trading session to be happening on this Thursday, expiry day. All right, so another free expiry day session we will be conducting this Thursday. It will be from 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Right? If you want to be part of it, you can join that, and link will be shared either tonight or tomorrow during daytime. All right, so stay tuned, guys, and thank you everyone for listening to me. Those who are interested, those who want to be part of our next batch, this is market profile combo course. You can contact us and you can send your query related to the course here on this number 9599634604. Or if you are having any problem related to your trading, or if you want to discuss with me anything related to this course, or any detail that you want to talk about, you can talk to me. You can take my number from my team and talk to me. All right, so thank you everyone. Bye bye, take care.